Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how with the latest update to Instagram, you can turn on the ability to hide like and view counts on all posts. I'll show you this first by hiding the likes on a single post, how to hide them on all posts on your timeline as a default, and then where to enable this when you're making a new post. I'll also show you how you can quickly access the numbers even if you have them hidden. To get started, open Instagram and find the post that you want to hide the likes for on your profile. Notice how the likes appear right now. We can see names and then a count of all the likes. Tap the three dot button on the top right of the post and then choose Hide Like Count. You will then see the like count is now hidden. You can still see the count though by just tapping on the like text, and the list of everyone who has liked the post as well as the count appears at the top. To hide likes on all of the other accounts that appear on your timeline, head back to your profile page and tap the three-line menu button on the top right. In here, choose Settings and then Privacy. Next, tap Posts. In here at the top, you can enable Hide Like and View Counts. Turn that on and then head back to your Instagram feed. If you take a look, you'll no longer see likes and view counts on anyone else's posts. And finally, you can hide likes on any new posts that you make. Head to New, choose and edit your post, and when you get to the details page, tap Advanced Settings at the bottom. In here at the top, you can then enable Hide Like and View Counts. After that, head back and finish your post as usual. You can always unhide the like and views on any of your posts by following the first steps. Head to the post that you want to unhide, tap the three dots, and then choose Unhide Like Count. And that's how you can hide like and view counts on posts inside of Instagram. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.